So you sign off on all documents. Your name will be attached to each shipment.
So, you don't come in the company name?
Of course. But you must have a point person.
And that's me.
Yes.
I am excited.
I can see that.
You know, you're right. Maybe I'll be hesitant if I was still dating Trevor.
That's why I must say everything was on great timing.
You know, I think I was wasting time with him.
Better you say that than me.
I was really holding myself back.
You see, some people was just meant to be in your life for a season.
Well, film season done.
That's his loss.
So, when do I leave?
When do you want to leave?
I get to choose that too?
Yes. And your flight will be here when you return.
I didn't know I said it's gonna be my year, you know? Me could have feel it. Thank you, Tony. Wow. So the last time you two were in the chapel, sitting, and now you're hugging in the office? What's next? Sex in a coffin?
Luna, look, I just gave her a promotion, right?
Yes, Luna. You have nothing to worry about. Worried? I'm not worried. Really? You sound a little worried to me.
Nicey, could you give me and Luna a minute, please?
Sure, Tony. Have a nice day.
Baby, listen.
No, you listen. I just came to tell you that I'm going on a seminar. Alright, so I'm leaving tomorrow.
What? Just so?
Yes, my job is sending me.
For how long?
I don't know.
Luna, wait now.
Bye, Luna. You know, say I play with fire though. Maybe me have a bucket of water. So blaze up, no? No worry yourself. My sweet, I got sour your ass. Wait. Maybe I love sour things.
Kamisha, stay in the shallow end. Stay in the shallow end.
Where's the shallow end?
Yes, close to the step. Yes, right there. Yes. Ano answer? Trevor? Look how long me there wait for you. Why you take so long for? Listen. No bother with it. No bother take long like the last time. Yes, there. The lady said she had this thing when I was dancing. Swimming, yeah. That she do. So once she kick out foot and all these things, hurry up and stop questioning me.
Wait. Miss Oliver? Where's the daddy?
I'm not sure.
So who's here with you?
Mommy.
Oh, come here.
Carlton, Wagwan.
Hey there.
Well, I know you're coming here today.
Well, I never planned to. But I come to see what's going on with the place.
Okay.
What on it? Yes. It's a solid one. How about you sell it for me? Nice. So, what's your value?
Him same soon coming now.
Soon come.
Mm-hmm.
Sell me on the property?
Nope. About an hour ago now, him same soon come. I know much time call him still.